Top 5 Best Washing Machines of 2026. Finding the right laundry machine can be harder than it looks. Some models are too large, while others do not offer the drying power people need. After reviewing many options, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out. Let us get started. Number 5. Euhomy Dryer 3.5 cubic feet. If you need a larger dryer without giving up too much space, the Euhomy Dryer with 3.5 cubic feet capacity is a solid option. It handles family laundry better than many compact units and offers enough room for towels, jeans, and everyday clothing. The machine reaches high temperatures and gives you flexible timer settings, which makes it easier to deal with different fabric types. The downside is that larger loads can take more time to dry completely. It is also heavier than smaller portable units. Large drying capacity, adjustable timer settings, powerful 1,500 watt heating. Overall, this is a dependable dryer for households that need extra room without moving to a full-size machine. Number 4. Euhomy Portable Clothes Dryer 1.5 cubic feet. For people with very limited space, this compact dryer is an attractive choice. It is small enough for apartments, dorm rooms, and RVs while still providing reliable drying performance. The 850 watt heating system delivers enough warmth to handle small loads quickly. The stainless steel drum helps clothes dry evenly and reduces wrinkles. I also like that it offers several functions, giving users more control depending on fabric type. The small capacity is the main limitation. Families with several members may find themselves running multiple cycles. Compact space-saving design. Efficient 850 watt heating. 5 drying functions. This machine makes sense for students, singles, and anyone living in a small home. Number 3. OurTech 2.8 cubic feet portable dryer. The OurTech portable dryer combines modern controls with practical performance. The touchscreen display gives it a more premium feel compared with many basic compact dryers. With multiple drying modes, it is easier to customize settings for bedding, cotton, wool, and mixed fabrics. What impressed me most is the flexibility. Different fabrics need different treatment, and a variety of modes helps prevent over-drying. Families with children may also appreciate the built-in safety functions. The machine is slightly more expensive than entry-level models, but the extra features make the price easier to justify. LED touch controls, 8 specialized drying modes, smart safety features. This dryer is ideal for people who want extra convenience and modern controls. Number 2. Euhomy Portable Clothes Dryer 1.5 cubic feet. Shoppers looking for a budget-friendly solution should take a serious look at this Euhomy portable dryer. Despite its compact size, it delivers surprisingly good drying performance. The stainless steel drum rotates efficiently and helps reduce tangles and wrinkles. I think this machine works especially well for singles, couples, and RV owners. Small loads dry quickly, which means less waiting and lower energy use. During rainy seasons or winter months, having a compact dryer like this can make daily life much easier. Its lightweight design makes placement simple. You can fit it in tight spaces without much effort. While large families may need something bigger, people with modest laundry needs will appreciate the convenience. Quick drying performance. Reversible stainless steel drum. Compact portable size. For shoppers on a budget, this dryer delivers excellent value. Number 1. Cu.Ft Portable Washing Machine 0.9 cubic feet best pick. The Cu.Ft Portable Washing Machine earns the top position because it combines convenience, versatility, and strong overall value. This compact washer is designed for people who need reliable laundry performance without sacrificing space. It fits naturally in apartments, small homes, dorm rooms, and RV setups. Although the capacity is smaller than full-size washers, it performs very well for everyday laundry and offers excellent efficiency. 5 wash programs. Fully automatic operation. Easy to move with built-in rollers. This machine delivers the best balance of performance, convenience, and value, which is why it takes the number 1 spot. Final verdict. If I had to recommend one overall winner, the Cu.Ft Portable Washing Machine would easily be my top pick. It offers great performance, simple controls, and a compact design that works well in apartments and small homes. For buyers looking for a budget-friendly dryer, The Euhomy portable clothes dryer with 1.5 cubic feet capacity is an excellent alternative. It delivers dependable drying without taking up much room. Both products offer impressive value for their category. If one of these models fits your needs, be sure to check the links in the description for current prices and more details before making your final decision.